Notice. We wanted to give you an update on the recent judgment issued in the case of retaliation filed by an employee of Infosys, Mr. J. Palmer, against Infosys in the Court of Alabama, USA, about a year and a half back. United States District Judge Myron H. Thompson found no basis to support any of the charges filed by Palmer and dismissed the case entirely. The judge stated, judgment is entered in favor of defendants Infosys Technologies Limited Incorporated and Infosys Limited and against plaintiff Jack Palmer Jr. with plaintiff Palmer taking nothing by his complaint. Judge Thompson further ordered cause against Mr. Palmer. In reaching the judgment, the judge has not accepted Palmer's evidence and has not ruled that his allegations are true. The judgment is a recent order which shows that Palmer's claims have no basis in applicable law. What happened here is that court ruled that this case does not even have enough merit to be tried. The judgment concludes that since Palmer's claims will fail, it is not even necessary to look at Infosys evidence which shows Palmer falsified documents and the alleged threats were not made by Infosys. The judge in no way indicated that Infosys had done anything wrong. In the wording though, as part of what constitutes summary judgment, the judge is showing that even if, hypothetically, all the claims were to be true, it still isn't worth going to trial. The fact that Palmer had materially falsified and altered several critical documents probably did not help his cause. Today's decision confirms what we have been saying from the beginning. Mr. Palmer's claims of retaliation were completely unfounded. This is a company built on core values that include leadership by example, integrity and transparency. Those values always have and will continue to shape the way we do business with our clients and without exception the way we treat our people. We are pleased to consider this matter officially closed and believe this is a vindication of our position that we did not retaliate against anyone. Thank you very much.
All right, the Infosys management there talking about their victory in U.S. court. Of course, that's impacting the stock as well in this session. We've already discussed Infosys technically for the market. Jagannathan, on the back of this piece of news, would you be looking at a bullish call on Infosys despite the slowdown that the company is seeing in earnings?
Not necessarily. I think it is just, out of the many of the challenges that company has been facing with internal management challenges, I think one of them has been resolved. Fair enough, that's good. But that doesn't mean that will translate too much into the earnings momentum or enthusiasm. Till the time that gets established, it may be difficult to expect runaway rally in Infosys.
Let's take a detour. Let's connect with Poonam, and she's going to identify some big volume movers for us. Hi, Poonam.
Hi, we do have Redington India, Infosys as well as Hindustan Zinc. On Redington India, 21.5 lakh shares have been traded, which is volumes are close to 8 times the 2-week average.